last ad that actually made you stop scrolling? It either felt real, like creator talking to you, or it was crisp commercial ad that instantly explained the product. These are the two ad styles that are winning right now, and you can create these ads easily without having to hire an editor or creator anymore. Hi, I'm Jeet from GravityWrite, and today I'll show you how to create such high-performing ads using AI. By the end of this video, you will exactly know how to create ads that looks professional, feels authentic, and are actually affordable. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today we will create two types of ads. First, let's start with UGC ads. UGC means user-generated content. These are the ads that feel real, relatable, and perform extremely well on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. It usually looks like a creator naturally talking about the product, sharing their experience, and recommending it. You can easily create such ads using tools from GravityWrite, so just go to gravitywrite.com. Now, to create this ad, we will first need a script. We can easily generate it using UGC ad script generator tool. You will find it under Ecommerce tools. Just click on it. You can give your product link here and the tool will automatically fetch the information. And if you don't have a link, you can manually add the details here. I'm going to paste the product link. Let's click on Get Answers. As you can see, the details are automatically fetched. Now just enter what kind of video you are creating. And click on Create Content. In seconds, you get a ready-to-use UGC ad script which sounds natural, is conversational, and authentic. Now, instead of filming the script yourself or hiring a creator, let's turn it into a video using AI. To do that, just go back to GravityWrite dashboard and select AI Video Generator. Select the content type as image to UGC ad video. Drop your product image. Here, describe the characteristics that you need in your creator. And paste the script we just generated. If you want, you can also add location details. Select the number of scenes. And then click on Generate Video. In just a few minutes, your UGC ad video is ready.
I've tried so many forms of vitamin C and it completely changed my skincare game. What makes this different is that it uses 3-O-ascorbic acid. I started seeing results in literally 5 days. My skin looked brighter and those annoying dark spots started fading. After using this for a few weeks, my skin tone is so much more even and I actually wake up with that natural glow.
It looks like a real creator video with natural gestures, voiceovers, and product visuals. You can download it from here and use it to run ads and drive sales. Now let's move on to second ad style, which are commercial ads. These ads are more polished and structured. They are perfect when you want to create premium looking ads sharing your brand message. These ads can be easily created with the tool from GravityWrite called AI Video Generator. So let's get back to the tool. This time, select the content type as image to commercial ad. Just drop your product image. Give your brand name. Select video duration and the aspect ratio. In the advanced settings, you can choose the quality of video as HD. Click on Generate Video. Within minutes, you get a clean, professional looking commercial ad showing your product clearly and looks premium.
Glow, brighten, transform. With 10% vitamin C, niacinamide and Australian Kakadu plum, your radiance is just a drop away. Pilgrim Vitamin C, triple glow.
Awesome, right? This is how you can produce ads without spending heavily on shoots or editors. This made ad creation faster, easier, and far more cost friendly. So go ahead and try out these tools at GravityWrite.com and start creating ads that actually converts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to GravityWrite for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.